So we're at Abenteuer und Allrad 2021. This is Julian.
Hey.
So, what do you do for a living, Julian?
I'm mural artist. I'm painting walls for commission and as a free project. And I'm painting obstacles and cars as well. So you see my expedition truck here. It's a Krug expedition module. And I did the interior design and the construction by myself. And I will guide you through it.
Great, let's have a look at it.
Yeah.
And it's really interesting to know how somebody can get a job as a graffiti artist. So,
so welcome home. So this is my living area. You see there is a lot of space here inside.
it's a huge amount of space, yes.
It's all in one place. So we have the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom over there. And yeah, it's all based on multiplex furniture and Euro boxes. So we have these boxes and some multiplex parts. Yeah, I have a cork floor, and I learned carpenter a while ago, so I had a lot of fun to construct this and build it by myself. If you look around the corner, you will see another artwork. It's a photography. And yeah, it's also like a shower artwork.
Yeah, I've never seen artwork in a shower before, but so that's very original. It's a huge shower as well.
Yeah.
For a vehicle, I should say. I mean, even at home, it's a huge shower.
Thank you.
And a huge sink as
Yeah,
well.
Sure. I don't like small water places in a car.
No.
Yeah, and all the electricity and heating system and cooling system, everything is stored underneath the furniture, so it's mostly hidden.
Yes. So what about the heating? How do you heat it?
I have two gasoline heaters, and yeah, they pump the gasoline out of the tank and they create heat and blow it up.
Gasoline, not petrol or not diesel.
It's diesel.
Okay.
Diesel.
Yes.
Diesel.
Sorry. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Gasolio. Yeah. Sorry. It is, but yeah, diesel. No, you can get petrol heaters as well. So
Okay.
that's why.
No, it's diesel. Sorry. And maybe one thing I'm very proud of. It's my food storage. You see it here.
Fantastic. Yeah.
These are old apple jam glasses, and you see here. There is a magnet or a metal thing inside of the lid, and here is a little magnet. So this goes here and plop, and now it's fixed.
It holds it in place.
And here, same.
Yeah.
And plop, holds in place.
When did you start doing this magnet system?
This summer.
Okay, there's a company called Sylvie,
Okay.
who makes glasses,
Okay.
and the glasses are attached in the same way.
Okay.
And yeah, I've got a video on it. If I did 3 years ago.
Nice.
Yeah, so-
Good. I have to watch it. Maybe it's the same idea. Cool.
Yeah, it is. It's exactly the same.
Yeah,
right?
really? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, and no, it's brilliant. And now I noticed this induction.
No,
Oh,
it's
it's
gas under glass
Okay.
heating. I had induction before, but I figured out if there is no sunshine and no solar power, I cook one coffee and the battery is empty.
Yeah.
So I have 3 160 ampere hour batteries, and they're not enough to cook much coffees. So I changed my system to a gas system, and now I'm quite happy with it.
That's what I think as well. I was really pro electricity for everything, but I've now changed my mind. You have to be realistic.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future.
In summertime, I had 2 months every day, 30 degrees and sunshine. It was no problem to cook with induction. But then On the way home, I had a few rainy days and I run out of battery. So this was like, okay, I need to change it.
Yes, yeah, that's how I feel now as well. With my system, although I'm cooking with gas, but I mean electricity for mainly computers and number one. From say April to October, I don't need to plug it in at all.
Okay.
But in the winter, it's not enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
that's how the cookie crumbles.
Indeed. Shall we have a look at the outside as well?
Yeah, sure.
So,
please.
what is the what's the vehicle base?
Okay. The vehicle is a Steyr 12 and 18. It's an old Austrian military transporter.
Yeah.
And it's changed by XCAP to an expedition vehicle.
Yes.
And so it's an old car from '86, and now it looks almost brand new because they took all parts away. They did new lacquering, new pipes, new pumps, and it's completely amazing done. And I'm very happy with it.
Yes, no, it looks brilliant, absolutely.
Thank you.
So, 35 years old.
Yes.
Wow. And how many kilometers on the clock?
Almost 90,000.
Oh, only?
Yeah, it's nothing.
Oh no, it isn't. Yeah, no.
It's nothing.
Yeah, right.
It's nothing for a car like this.
No, it's it's brilliant. It's really it's nice looking. And so, how often do you use it?
Actually, I just finished the interior construction and the whole car. I just did only one travel with it. So I finished it in June this year, and then I drove immediately to Greece, from Germany to Greece. And now I will start the second travel in November to Northwest Africa.
Oh, right.
Yes.
Okay.
Really looking forward to it.
Yeah. Are you going by yourself?
Yeah, with my partner and my dog and.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I think it's very brave to do something like that. You're going out in the desert.
Yeah, sure.
And
with this kind of car, you need to go into the desert.
Yeah.
So there is no way around.
Yes. Yeah.
Nice.
So looks absolutely brilliant. Thanks, Julian.
You're very welcome.
Your email and website your website will be in the description below. Should anybody want any painting done?
Yes. Follow me on Instagram. It's Tembo, Tembo_traces. Because Tembo is the elephant in Swahili, so it's a big elephant, a yellow elephant.
Yeah.
Tembo traces on Instagram.
Super.
Nice.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Ellen. Have a good day.
Right.
Take care.
Right.